Good morning, class. How are you? Fine. Okay. See the picture. It's very beautiful. See in the picture, 3 girls are there, 3 men are there, and again the men are there. See in the first picture, 3 girls are there, and one is long, then longer, then longest. So these are the degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. An adjective has the 3 degrees and they are positive, comparative and superlative, and that is called the degrees of comparison. So how many degrees an adjective has? It has 3 degrees and the names are positive, comparative and superlative. Positive is the first degree, comparative is second one, and then third one is superlative. Now see in the first picture, 3 girls are standing and we have to make comparison with tall. The first one girl, that is tall, the next is taller, and the third one is tallest. We call tall the positive degree, taller means comparative, and tallest means the third degree, that is superlative. We use tall for positive degree means when one person is there. When we are making comparison in 2, we use comparative degree, and when we make comparison in more than 2, then we use superlative degree. Means the girl is tall, the girl is, in second we can say Seema is taller than Rita, and third girl name we can make Annie, she is the tallest of all. In the same way we can make comparison in fat. The first man is fat, another is fatter, and the third one is the fattest. Similarly, with the money we can make comparison. One has 1 crore, second one is 2 crore, and 3 is 3 crore. So we have to make comparison in rich. So we can say rich, then richer, and the third one is richest. So when one person is there, one single sentence is there, we use rich. If there is comparison in 2, then we will say richer, and when the comparison in between more than 2, then it is richest, superlative degree. So tall, taller, tallest, fat, fatter, fattest, rich, richer, richest. So these are called the comparison of degrees. Now see on this page. Here we have constructions with comparison. How to make the sentences with comparison. When comparison is given, how to make the sentences. So you see on number 7, it is written, with the positive form of the adjective, we use as in affirmative sentences. Affirmative means positive sentences. Affirmative means positive sentences. Just as he is as happy as his brother, means brother and he are the same. He is as happy as his brother. Then second, she is as beautiful as her sister. So with the positive form of the degree, we use as in affirmative sentences. As dash as happy as beautiful as. Then in second, with the positive form of the adjective, we use not as, not so as in negative sentences. Be careful, the first one was affirmative means positive statement, and the second one is negative statement. So how we have to form negative? See here. This boy is not as bad as that. The boy is not so bad as that. The not as, not so as. Clear to everyone? Okay. Now see. With the comparative form of the adjective, we use then. Means when we have to make comparison in two, then we use the word than. My father is older than a son. This apple is sweeter than that. Means son and father comparison is there, and two apples comparison is there. A father is older than a son, and this apple is sweeter than that. Okay, so when comparison is there in two, we use the word than, THAN, than. Okay, now see, when the selection of one out of two persons or thing is meant, the comparative degree is followed by of, and the article the is placed before it. Now you see in the example, he is the taller of the two brothers. This is the better of the two houses. Means when the selection of one out of two person is there, or two things is there, we use the taller of. He is the taller of the two brothers. This is the better of two houses. The next is some Latin adjectives of the comparative degrees ending in IOR are followed by to and not by then. For example, you can see superior and junior. You see, my pen is superior to yours. He is junior to me in age. It is not than here. It is not then my pen is superior than yours. Then it is wrong. We will write it wrong if we have written the word than in comparative degree here with superior and junior. So mind it. My pen is superior to yours and he is junior to me in age. So see what note is written here. The adjectives can also be used as adjective of positive degrees: superiority, inferior pants, a senior doctor, a junior student. Also, a comparison of three or more person or things is expressed by the superlative degrees. The dash of or the dash in of places. See the example. She was the prettiest of all the girls. Means many girls were there, more than two. Then the sentence will be, she was the prettiest of all the girls. And she was the prettiest girl in the class. It is the place. Clear everyone? Okay. So in positive degree we have used the word as. In comparative we have used then. And in superlative mostly we have used the word the. Now on the basis of these three, let us try to solve one exercise. See exercise 25. See here. Fill in the blanks with the correct degrees of the adjectives given. Adjectives are given in the bracket and you have to fill the correct degree. Whether it is positive, whether it is comparative, whether it is superlative. Now see number 1. My room is dash than yours. Than, THAN, than means comparison. Then the answer is cooler. COOLER, cooler. Second, he is the dash boy in the class. The word is the. When the is there, we use superlative degree. Then answer is most intelligent. He is the most intelligent boy in the class. Now see the third one. This site is the dash I have ever seen. In the word bracket is given ugly. and the word is the before the blank, then it is ugliest. Ugliest. Number 4. He is the dash person in the village. The word is gay. The degree, the adjective is gay. The is there. The means superlative degree we have to fill. The gayest. 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 This photo is as dash as that. As word is there. In as we have to write the positive degree. As clear as that. Next also, you are not as your brother, so as bright. This story is dash than that. Comparison is there, then more horrible. She is not so dash as you think. So and as, then it is haughty. Positive degree. She is the dash of all the sister. The word is the, then it is dullest. Dullest. Which of the two lords is the dash? There is comparison between two lords and the is also there. We have read this in the rules, then we have to write the word heavier. Comparison between two lords. Heavier. Number 11. He gave us the dash trouble. The, then it is the least trouble. Least. Least. This is the dash story I have ever read. The means superlative degree. Most delightful. He is the dash of the two friends. Noble or nobler? What we will write? Two friends. Of the two friends, it is nobler. Helen was the dash woman in Greek. Then it is most beautiful. This is the dash of the springs. Sweetest of the springs. So we have done the use of the degrees here. How to use the degrees of adjective to fill in the blank to complete the sentence. And I think it is clear to you and hope you can solve all the blanks whenever you get. Okay, thank you students. Thank you for the day.